Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatin Asmida binti Hamid. I'm student from Bachelor Office System and Management.
Before I go through, I will introduce about the purpose of business model canvas preparation and the key segment of business model canvas BMC. There are three purposes of business model canvas BMC preparation. First is strategic management tools to quickly and easily define and communicate a business idea or concept. Second, BMC will help business owner to better understand about business through the key segment. And lastly is BMC also help recognizing the business potentials and as a method used to develop a clear strategy on how to build a real business. In the business model canvas BMC, there are 9 key segments, which is key activities, customer relationship, value propositions, customer segments, revenue stream, cost structure, channels, key resources, and lastly is key partner. Explain about the details of business model canvas BMC. First is key partners. Key partners are the relationship that we have with other business, governmental, or non-consumer entities that help us in our business model work. There are 4 types of partnership, which is first, strategic alliances between non-competitors. Next is competition. Third is joint ventures to develop new businesses. And lastly is buyer-supplier relationship. The type of partnership that applies to condo frozen by Ida is buyer-supplier relationship. Next is to get the fresh product. I will deal with supplier conduct to make sure the quantity enough for fulfill customers' demand.
Next is key activities. Key activities are important things in our business need to do to run. It is even more specific than that. Key activities are the key things that we need to do in order to deliver our value proposition to customers. As for conduct frozen by Ida, the main activities are selling the conduct by promoting the product into media social. A good promoting will attract people to buy the product directly. Third is value propositions. The value proposition is an innovation, service or feature intended to make a company or product attractive to customers. Besides, value propositions should be developed based on the customer segment in mind, since one will continually develop the other throughout the BMC process. For conduct frozen by Ida, the first value proposition is good value and price. Conduct frozen by Ida offers the affordable price compared to another conduct seller. The other value proposition of this business is by providing a good service like COD and posting the product to the customer with affordable price. The customer do not worry how they have conduct from frozen by Ida with self-pickup, because this business provided the other services to give and make sure the customer happy. Next is customer relationship. Customer relationship refers to customer interaction with the business. As for conduct frozen by Ida, we interact with the customer in online and through phone. We will be interacting with the customer in online or phone by giving a promoting to them. The customer will get the information about conduct frozen by Ida from my business Facebook and Instagram. The customer can make an order at our page and we will treat quickly and give a good service. The other key segment is customer segment. Customer segment refers to the groups of people or organization we aim to reach or serve. Every company needs profitable customers in order to survive. Using the business model canvas, we will determine what our customer segment. The customer segment for Condor Frozen by Ida is teenagers, adults, and kids who like to eat fast food like corn dog. This customer usually eating for breakfast, tea time, or night supper. Next is key resource. Key resource define the most important asset required to make a business model work. An enterprise to create and offer a value proposition, reach markets, maintain relationship with customer segment, and earn revenue are the resources that allowed. The resource that Condor Frozen by Ida use first is transportation. This business needs transportation to move to the customer destination to deliver the food. Apart from that, internet connection is also essential to connect with the customers and to make marketing for the business. Next is physical resource, which is need workers to make sure the stock of condo can fulfill demands of customer. Channel is also the key segment for business model canvas. Channels are a critical element of the business model. They are how a company communicates with the reach its customer segment. Channels used by Condor Frozen by Ida are social media. Social media consists of Instagram and Facebook. These are the main platforms that we will be used as marketing platform and to be used as a medium to connect with potential customers. The other key segment is cost structure. Cost structure refers to the types and relative proportion of fixed and variable costs that a business incurs. For Condor Frozen by Ida, the cost structure includes marketing and advertising costs, posting costs, and transportation costs. It is easier to reach larger audience using paid advertisement as a form of marketing and advertising. Therefore, the cost structure for Condor Frozen by Ida include marketing and advertising costs. Besides, posting costs also provided by Condor Frozen by Ida, which customer cannot buy through COD and self-pickup. Other than that, transportation is also one of the costs incurred by Condor Frozen by Ida. This cost is charged by place of destination the customers. Last but not least is revenue streams. Revenue stream is the building block representing the cash, which is not profit but revenue minus cost. In the other word is sources from a business that earn money from the sales of goods or services. The revenue stream for Condor Frozen by Ida includes transportation charge and posting charge. In conclusion, by using the business model canvas, it is important because it can be used to compute a detailed plan for the business. My business, which is Condor Frozen by Ida, it may be hard to be recognized in the market at first, but through skills that I studied, hoping that Condor Frozen by Ida have the potential to be a famous seller in the future.